Let me show you the best features I found for Sony WF-C510. So most of those features, or actually all of them, you can find in the Sound Control by Sony. If you have those earbuds connected to the smartphone and the app is downloaded, you should see it like that. Then in the dash panel for our earbuds, we can already find ambient sound control that you can turn off or on, which allows you to hear more things from the outside. If you go for the equalizer, you can adjust the different profiles, and I'm going to show you that just in a second. Now let's actually finally move to device settings on below right there, and here we have all of the same things like ambient sound control, and only thing here that you can do which is unique is to adjust the level for it using a slider. There's also voice pass-through, which allows you to suppress anything other than the sound of a voice. In the equalizer, you can turn it off or switch between different presets, or also select a manual or a custom preset that you can adjust by clicking on the gear icon. But in this case, if you also don't know anything about equalizer, you might want to watch a few tutorials how to use it, and then you can create customs. Otherwise, I recommend to go for a preset ones that you can see right there. We can also find 360 reality audio setup and analyze our ear shape. You can do it, just follow the instructions on the screen, and then you will manage. There's no point of me showing that, as I won't be showing you how I'm wearing them. Next is Bluetooth connection quality. Here you can choose between two different options: prioritize sound quality, which will increase your sound quality, or prioritize stable connection if your earbuds keep disconnecting. And next thing is system. Right here we can manage gestures and also connect two devices at the same time if the multi-point is active with the switch. Now let's move to those gestures that I talked about. Right here, when we click on it, you can change them for left or right earbud, and there's a function that you can assign like playback control or ambient sound control. I recommend to go for playback control as it's more interesting and has many more options, and you can use it by clicking on your earbud to, for example, play or pause music, click on the next song or a previous song, or long press to launch your voice assistant. You can even manage a volume by pressing on your earbud 4 times. So this is quite cool. If you move to the right, there's basically the same thing, but the only difference is volume that increases it if you use it on the right one, where on the left one it will go lower. Make sure to click on done to save it. And honestly, that would be all of the cool features I found for those earbuds.